Alright.
Oh God.
Why'd the bell stop? That's weird.
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, I know.
Not that loud. They hurt my ears though. Oh no, every Friday he likes to stop around the same time, yeah. Yeah, he figured it out, I forget, last year or something, first grade, so that was kind of a ritual. Yeah. Yeah, so he gets his little bit of entertainment, and I get to take the video of it. You want to pick up your little ones? How are you going? Oh, okay. Oh, they